Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to deep condition your hair, how to moisturize your hair while wearing your protective hairstyles. So if you know this video is something that interests you, go nowhere and keep watching. I have been wearing protective hairstyle for like a month now. I don't want to be making it all the time, so I have to like find a way around it whenever I want to deep condition my hair. Y'all know that I always color my hair. Like, I love playing around with beautiful colors. I'm going to be using Mamiya organic hair mayonnaise. So I'll review this product at the last part of this video, so let me just go straight to use it, then I'll let you all know my experience using this. I got it for a long time. I got it when I still had my relaxed hair, but I didn't have time to review it then. So I'm gonna be using it now, and I'll tell you guys my take on this and what I don't like about this later on in the video. So let's just go straight to like getting this hair done. I like doing it this way because my hair, when you tint your hair tends to like dry so fast. So when it dries off and your hair may break, so that's why I like doing this like every 2 weeks, sometimes once in a month. It all depends on how my hair feels, because most times I like listening to my hair, get to know when my hair is crying. I want some food to like make life easy for me. Yes, make it more manageable for me. I think this cap is kind of like getting wider now. It's getting wider. So now I have like make it tight so that no heat comes out of it. So mind you, I have already put on the steam cap for like 5 minutes because I want it hot before I use it. I don't want a situation whereby when I want to use it I'll not have to like wait for it to start getting hot. I just want it like ready for me to use. That is what I have to like. So I'm going to let it heat very well. Then after heating very well, then I'm going to wash it out. I'll show you how to wash it out with, I made a review of this keratin and vitamin A shampoo in this channel. I'm going to link the video in the description section, so you have to check it out to know what I have to say about this. So the shampoo is a little bit watery now because I had little left, so it's kind of like too thick, so I have to add water in it to like dilute it, because sometimes when you're using it and it pours out and you find out that you're wasting it. So basically that is it. So I'm gonna be taking this out. Okay. Oops, so it's kind of hot, so I'm going to wash this off using my keratin and vitamin A shampoo. So basically I'll do a video on how I do my wash and go, as a real life wash and go, not really like after end result of wash and go when I did before. I'm going to do a video how I wash my hair. Sorry about that, my extension just fell. So let me wash this off, guys. Let me wash this off. So this is how it is. So my hair feels so soft now. It's feeling so soft. So this is the best way I kind of like care for my hair. Anytime I want to deep condition my hair, anytime I want to steam my hair while wearing my protective hairstyle. So it's not always, I will not advise you to do this method because you may not know how to play around with it. But if you are a hair professional or you know how to take care of your hair, you can try out this method, because most times when you feel like your protective hairstyle, you may want to wear it for like a month, or most times people wear protective hairstyle for a month. And you can also wash your protective hairstyle. All depends on how you want to care for your hair. So I don't like putting them down and trying to make them again, so it can be so stressful, and sometimes my head cannot really like carry those kind of like wahala, like what we call it here in Nigeria. So I can't really stand it all the time, every 2 weeks making my hair. So I just like wearing the protective hairstyle for like 3 weeks, and most times once in 3 weeks I would want to like steam my hair. Not all the time I steam my hair, but I make sure in a month I steam my hair, because I always wear color. My hair is colored, like everything about my hair is colored. I want to like still use this opportunity to like review this product, Mamiya organic. It has the castor oil in it, the avocado oil in it. So this oil I added in it is a carrot oil. I reviewed this product in my channel, so I'll link the description section, where the video where I reviewed this product. Not really only this product I reviewed a bunch of other hair products together with it, so you may have to like watch the video to like maybe the second down to like 3 minutes. The Hollywood Beauty carrot oil is not really like 100% pure oil. To me it's more like a diluted oil, but I like it because it's a triple action, multiple, let me call it a multi-purpose oil. You can use it for body massage, you can also use it for your hair, to repair your hair, to repair hair loss. So whenever I try to steam my hair, I like adding oil. I don't add egg to it. When I add egg to steam my hair was way back when my hair was relaxed. Yes, I add egg to it. I don't add much oil to it, yeah. But now that my hair is not relaxed, I tend to like add up to like 3 oil in my mayonnaise before steaming my hair. So I don't basically do the egg part of it, yeah. I don't bother doing that. Yes guys, my before, when I tint my hair, this was the one I used. It's the Revlon. I don't know if you can see the color very well. Then the other one that I finally got, this one is the one I finally got. So you can see the two of them. So the difference is clear. This has the whitening powder. If you want your hair to like extra white, then you go for this, because it has a powder in it. But this one doesn't have powder in it. Don't mind what they wrote here. You will definitely not get this. You're definitely not going to get this. It's going to be like this kind of gold you're seeing now. This kind of gold, that is what you're going to get if you use this, something of this nature, this gold. That's what you're going to get. Yeah, my hair is not really like a pure white, because I didn't put much of the powder, because I don't want it pure white. Like, I don't want to look like an aged lady. Yeah, so not the pure white. But if you want it to look white, like white, pure white, not really like a pure white, but a very sharp gold, then the powder in it, you need to use like the whole of it. So I still have the powder in it, I still have it, so just a little bit I add to it, and I think I'm okay with the result I have now. But unlike when I used this, it was totally very brown. Like, when I mean brown, like darker, even darker than this. Yes, it's a different gold entirely, which I was not loving. I have to go miles and miles to like fetch the cream of nature, because it's giving me exactly what I want. So guys, that is all for my video for today. So my next video, I'm going to come up on how I use castor oil to massage my scalp, how I use castor oil to boost my hair growth. So guys, I will see you in that video.